Have you ever pondered about the myriad types of fasting strategies out there? Fasting, the practice of purposefully refraining from food for a designated time period, has been a part of human civilization for centuries, adopted for both health, wellness, and spiritual enrichment. Today we're about to plunge into the details of various fasting strategies, from intermittent fasting, time-restricted eating, to the more intense versions like water fasting and prolonged fasts. We'll analyze their benefits and potential drawbacks, providing you with comprehensive insights on each method. We'll commence with intermittent fasting, often abbreviated as IF. It's a dietary practice of consuming your meals within a designated window of time and abstaining from food for the hours. The most frequently adopted method is the 16-8 strategy, in which you fast for 16 hours, typically by skipping breakfast, and consume all your meals within an 8-hour window. The advantages of this dietary method are multifold. First, it can help to improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Secondly, it can enhance mental clarity and concentration. Furthermore, it can aid in weight loss by increasing fat burning and reducing caloric intake. However, intermittent fasting is not void of potential drawbacks. It can be challenging for people who relish their breakfast or find it difficult to withstand prolonged periods without food. Some people might also experience initial side effects such as headaches, dizziness, or a lack of energy during the fasting window. This dietary approach can also lead to unhealthy eating behaviors in some individuals, such as binge eating during the eating window. Regardless, intermittent fasting presents as a flexible and straightforward strategy to tap into the benefits of fasting without necessitating drastic alterations to your lifestyle. The key is to listen to your body and choose a method that aligns with your lifestyle and nutritional needs. Coming up next is the 20 quarters method, an intensified version of the 16/8 strategy. In this schedule, you fast for a stretched 20 hours and pack all your meal intake within a limited 4-hour window. Known for its potential to speed up weight loss, the 24 method can be a game changer for serious Weight Watchers. It pushes your body to a state of ketosis, burning fat reserves for energy and leading to quicker weight reduction. Additionally, the long fasting hours can boost autophagy, leading to cellular repair and rejuvenation. However, it's important to bear in mind the challenges linked to this method. The extended fasting period might be strenuous for some, leading to discomfort and possible shifts in mood. It could also result in intense hunger pangs and potentially compromise your ability to meet your daily nutritional needs. Deciding on the 20 quarters method needs a careful balance of understanding your body's capacity and the commitment to your weight loss goal. Before we move to the next chapter, don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy videos. The 5-2 diet is another intriguing method. This eating plan allows for 5 days of standard eating patterns. However, for the remaining 2 non-consecutive days of the week, your calorie intake is significantly reduced, landing somewhere between 600 calories. This diet strategy can be highly effective for weight loss, primarily due to the significant calorie deficit created on the low-calorie days. Additionally, it may also promote healthier eating habits on normal eating days, as well as boost metabolic health and longevity. Nevertheless, the 5-2 diet also brings with it potential drawbacks. The low-calorie days can be particularly challenging for some individuals, causing feelings of hunger and fatigue. Additionally, it might lead to overeating on non-fasting days, which may counteract the calorie deficit achieved on fasting days. As with any diet, it's always essential to consider both the benefits and potential downsides. Alternate day fasting, or ADF, is another strategy to consider. The process involves alternating between days of regular eating and days of intense fasting. On fasting days, calorie intake is drastically limited or eliminated altogether, making your body burn stored fat for energy. This can result in significant weight loss and improvements in blood sugar levels, cholesterol, and blood pressure. But alternate day fasting is not without its drawbacks. The fasting days could be challenging, as they often lead to feelings of hunger, fatigue, or irritability. Plus, there's a risk of overeating on non-fasting days as a rebound effect, which could offset the potential weight loss benefits. There's also the potential for nutrient deficiencies if fasting days are not well planned. Thus, while ADF can be a powerful tool for losing weight, it demands careful consideration and planning. Extended fasting pushes the boundaries of traditional fasting by incorporating 24-hour fasts once or twice a week, 36-hour fasts through skipping 2 consecutive meals, or even challenging 48-hour fasts or longer. Embracing these methods can lead to substantial health advantages. They encourage autophagy, in which your body cleanses itself of damaged cells, and could boost weight loss by increasing your metabolic rate. There's also evidence to suggest that they could lower the risk of chronic like diabetes and heart disease. However, extended fasting isn't without its drawbacks. Some might find these fasting periods demanding, potentially leading to feelings of weakness or fatigue. It's essential to be aware that they can also disrupt regular eating patterns, which might give to eating disorders. Moreover, certain individuals, such as pregnant women and people with certain medical conditions, should avoid these practices. Given the intensity of extended fasting, it's always recommended to undertake these fasts under the supervision of a healthcare professional. Time-restricted eating, or TRE, is akin to intermittent fasting, but it incorporates a more defined eating window, usually within 4-6 hours. This dietary strategy can be customized to accommodate individual schedules and preferences, but it calls for discipline and might affect social dining times. The benefits of TRE are substantial and include improved metabolic health, enhanced weight management, and increased longevity. However, the drawbacks should not be overlooked. It may lead to an unhealthy obsession with food timings, cause potential nutrient deficiencies, and can trigger feelings of social isolation due to restricted meal times. Modified fasting includes strategies such as the fasting mimicking diet, or FMD, which simulates the effects of fasting while still permitting some food consumption, typically in the form of low-calorie, plant-based meals. Partial fasting involves limiting certain types of foods or specific macronutrients while still eating others. These methods can provide some benefits of fasting without entirely eliminating food, but they necessitate meticulous planning and monitoring. The benefits of these methods include lowered blood pressure, improved insulin sensitivity, and weight loss. They also may boost brain health and slow the aging process. However, these benefits often come with drawbacks. Modified fasting can lead to nutrient deficiencies if not properly managed. It may also lead to feelings of hunger, fatigue, or irritability, particularly in the early stages. Therefore, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen. Lastly, we come to spontaneous fasting, an eating pattern that involves skipping meals on an occasional basis without strictly adhering to a set schedule. It is an approach primarily driven by hunger cues and the demands of one's lifestyle. This can be a flexible and natural approach to fasting. The benefits of spontaneous fasting are derived from its flexibility. It allows a person to adapt to their daily routine without feeling restricted by stringent eating schedules. Moreover, it can ease individuals into the practice of fasting, making it a good starting point for beginners. However, the drawbacks must not be overlooked. Spontaneous fasting might not provide the full benefits of more structured fasting strategies. This is because the body thrives on consistency, and the lack of a fixed fasting schedule could lead to unpredictable energy levels, potential overeating during non-fasting periods, and less effective metabolic adaptations. Therefore, it's crucial for individuals to consider these factors before deciding if spontaneous fasting suits their lifestyle and health goals. In conclusion, there are a myriad of fasting strategies out there, each with a unique set of benefits and challenges. It's absolutely crucial to understand each approach and take into account your personal lifestyle, health conditions, and goals before on a fasting journey. Your lifestyle, for instance, will dictate how easily you can adapt to a fasting schedule. Understanding your health condition is also critical, as certain fasting methods could potentially exacerbate pre-existing conditions. Additionally, aligning your fasting strategy with your personal goals ensures that you're not fasting aimlessly, but rather using it as a tool to achieve what you set out to. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked the video.